In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar to Notion. If you want a simple way to plan, organize, and track your content schedule, Notion's calendar setup can make that process much easier. We'll go through everything from creating the page to adding your first entries, so you can have a working content calendar ready in just a few minutes. To begin, go to the left sidebar in Notion and click Add New. This will create a new page where your calendar can live. Think of this as the home base for your content planning, so it's a good starting point for keeping everything in one organized place. Once the new page opens, type calendar into the search box. This helps Notion narrow down the available options and templates so you can quickly find the right setup without building everything from scratch. From the results, choose Content Calendar. This template is especially useful because it's already designed for planning posts and tracking publishing details. It gives you a practical structure right away, which saves time and makes the setup process much smoother. Next, customize the calendar by selecting the properties you want to include. These are the key details that will help you manage each piece of content effectively. Choose publish date, platform, content type, owner, and post URL. These fields make it easier to keep track of when content goes live, where it will be posted, what kind of content it is, who is responsible for it, and where the final link can be found. After reviewing those selected options, click Continue. This confirms the structure of your calendar and moves you to the next part of the setup. Now choose the calendar views you want to use. Select Calendar, All Content, and By Status. You can also choose by platform if you want an additional way to sort and review your content. These views are helpful because they let you switch between a visual schedule and more detailed organizational layouts, depending on what you need to focus on. When everything looks good, click Done to create the calendar. At this point, your content calendar will be generated and ready to use. To start adding entries, click on a date in the calendar or create a new item manually. Then enter the content details, including the title, publish date, platform, status, and owner. Filling these out consistently will make your calendar much easier to manage over time. Finally, use the different views to organize and track your content schedule. This makes it easier to monitor progress, spot gaps in your plan, and keep your publishing workflow clear and structured. Thanks for watching.